Welcome to the Jekyll Island Guided Tram Tour. The tour departs from Jekyll Island Orientation Center, on the historic site of the Stable Building located on Stable Road, which now serves as a museum. The tour consists of a narrated tram ride along the island, stopping at various historical homes and locations. This home once served as the Jekyll Island Clubhouse and now has been fully restored to the way it looked in the early 1900s. The historic homes on the island served as humble cottages for the millionaires that vacationed here. Such famous vacationers and club members include William Rockefeller, J.P. Morgan, Joseph Pulitzer, and William Vanderbilt. Another feature of Jekyll Island is the variety of wildlife. A sea turtle rescue center and museum is open to the public on the island. To the millionaires that owned them, the cottages seemed like small, quaint residences. However, some were larger than others. By today's standards, they all appear to be very extravagant. All the cottages have unique features. This home contains a door that was rescued from the Spanish monastery. The cottage of Frank Miller contains a reflecting pool. Faith Chapel serves as the church on the island. The tour ends at the orientation center at which it began.